Hey, yo, what up, good people? It's your boy, Lead CM. I'm the one and only Martin, and as you already know, we are back with another episode, and I'm not alone. I'm joined by.
Hey, what up, people? It's your boy Phil White, and I'm feeling so high, and I'm about to fly in this YouTube video. So today I'm here with
Dimples Mini. Yeah.
Clock It.
I'm excited to have you guys on the show.
Thank you.
Yeah. Just before we start, Ndwana, recently, like it's been recently, like you've been very quiet, like on my social media, especially on WhatsApp, Ndwana. You see, and like it's been a long time, ngagcina. Where have you been, Ndwana?
Bengowa.
Okowa, kwenzakalani?
Bengowa, like looking ngekho right. Bekunalento lokuthi yazini ngathi ngingaba yi1, especially like mina singumuntu othanda ukuhlupha abantu, you understand? Nanoma isekela mincane. I prefer ukuthi mangigowa whenever ngiya through ama challenges ngibe alone. Sometimes abanye abantu abafuna ukuhlusha, yabona. So I was sick, acid reflux intwana beng revisa nje.
What's that?
Thina manje siyazi le.
Teach us, what's that? Acid reflux.
Acid, like bengigcwele acid, yabona, acid. I think ikhoso ukudla engidlayo, fizzy drinks and everything. And another thing, constipation. Bengakhona ukuthi ngiye toilet ngiyo release, so ukudla like bekukhuphuka kuhlale ku throat because angikwazi ukukhipha ngale back door, obviously like keep la. You understand?
Yeah.
So I think ikhoso ukuthi vele angikhoni uke toilet. So bengekho right. Ingifakela nje ama depression tonton yazi manje right intana, and awukhona ukuthi uhlale phansi nomuntu ukhulume ngayo ufela ngaphakathi and ivele ukudla ucabange kakhulu like kenzakalani, yabona, uzibuza imibuzo eminingi nawe i1. So bengigowa ntwana sham.
So you just said to it like you had no one to talk to, or like the way people like that you could talk to, because if you're going through such things, like I think it's important like to have people else to talk to.
She's saying she has a small friend group. What she's trying to say. That's
even if that's the case, ne, ezinye izinto mina angithandi ukustress umama, ne.
What about your friends?
I don't really have friends. Anye ngithi
yo
abangani, because bayalala bayavuka, guys. Abangani abanabangani babo.
Yeah.
You get me? So sometimes but therefore sometimes like guningi, it's a lot.
When out do you think like you can live without friends? Like imagine her like
I wouldn't. You need friends, well. Abangani siyabadinga.
Why
for mental support,
okay,
emotional support, and vele you have to have a friendship with someone, you understand? Yeah, so I need friends. But I have few friends. Nami ngifana naye. Nginabangani abancane because yazi abangani ba fake and
so mina sham I've tried le friendship thingy, just that angizwani nje nabantu mina aba betrayayo, angizwani nama backstabbers, like iba real nami. If I did something to you, come to me. Mina ngulomuntu lona okuphuthando, like ngiya extra mile for wena. So if wena uzohluleka ukuyenza lento leyo back, then kusho ukuthi ngiyi1 kule friendship, you get me? Like ngilomuntu othandayo. Good noma uthi and angisaid Dubai was a friend, I'll make a plan ukuthi ngifike lapho.
You do have a friend group nabangani like labo ukuthi laba abangani bami.
Yeah, but also I feel like lento ukuthi I do understand where you guys like are coming from, Maniti. Like your circle is so small.
It's small.
Do you know what makes that in my own perspective?
Why?
Lento le yenziwa, it's growth. Like the more you grow, bro, like a lot of people like you guys, like you grow apart, you see. It's life eventually. So it's something that you cannot really hinder or prevent or whatever, but like it's something that has to happen, you see. And also I feel like a lot of people like have got too many friends. That's where you get like even his life, it's not going as it should be, or it's not going as that person afisa isn't zenzeke because of like there's too many people involved like in your life, you see. So having a small circle of friends, it creates peace and happiness, because lendiyama betrayals, that way it comes from. If like you've got like a lot of friends and stuff
Yeah,
like
friends
that.
with everyone.
Yeah, like you're friends with everyone. But
Ngiyakuthola.
recently there's something. Conte show Mekji.
Uthini?
Mekji uthe allegedly uthe Robert Boy like he's known to be
Yeah,
friends
yeah, I
with
saw
everyone
that, I
in
saw
the
that, I
industry.
saw that.
And
Ngibonile
he called him fake just for that. You see, so it comes back to
Mara,
the point ukuthi
ngithi umuntu wabantu khona abantu
yeah,
wabantu
khona abantu,
ukuthi
you're right. Yeah,
wonke
bakhona
umuntu
abantu
umngani
aba-
wakhe.
yes,
Yeah,
yeah.
because wonke umuntu uyamthanda khona
Yes,
umuntu onjalo
yes.
like Robert Boy.
Yes.
Yeah. Into esho uMcG hayi mina ngiyibona lento akayisho. Hayi uMcG hayi.
But ntwana ne njoba songibuzile ukuthi yeah bengiscarce. But i-lesson engiyitholile
Yeah.
kuyo yonke lento leyo ukuthi sometimes ukuba one man akukho right, so I decided ukuthi ngibuyise labantu laba
Abangani
ekade
bakho.
ngiconnecta nabo like dala
Abangani
engisho
bakho.
ukuthi okay sharp yabona lo ngingaba ne connection strong. Yes ngingaba ne connection strong naye, so ba part of life yami manje and I'm happy, I'm recovering, ngiyakhona ukuventa, bayangimamela, you get me. So yeah.
But still, like, do you prefer to have like a small circle of friends or to
Have
ukuthi
a big number.
have a large number of like
Small.
Why?
Why wena vele?
Yo, mina abantu sometimes bayangifrustrate. Like kuba nezinto eziningi izinkulumo, guys, angizwani nezinkulumo ne.
Yeah, but now
It's not ukuthi she's moody. Are you not moody?
No, I'm
Awuna ma
not.
moods.
No, like yo, I'm such a bubbly person. Like ngumuntu abantu mangifile nase spacing like
Yeah.
accommodative, guys. Ngumuntu abantu.
yeah, but still, angit manje, you just said you like this experience that you had to go through months back. There were a couple of people that were not available that you could reach out to, or that maybe ongakhalela kubo. You see, but having that way, it helps to have a large number of people, because now if that one is not available, you can call that one, or if that one also is not available, you can call that one. But to have a small circle of friends, it's only like few people like that would actually be there for you. Yeah, it's few but
few.
also I feel like also like if someone wants to be there for you, regardless ukuthi it's small circle, it's big circle,
Yeah,
they'll be there for you.
bazoba khona.
Regardless
Yeah,
ukuthi
regardless,
yeah,
yeah.
But
they'll
in
be
this
there.
case, I prefer ukuventa emntwini engimthembayo. I won't just vent emntwini nje because of nyamazi. You understand? Yeah. Mangukuthemba, ngukubeka enhlizweni yami, then ngizoba comfortable ukuthi ngivente, ukuthi uba there for mina. I will be there for mina. Bakhona abanye guys. Yabo. But as long as ngikuthemba, then ngizokuthemba ngenkinga zami.
And tell me, like there's this thing that normally people say, lento yokuthi, like if you were to, do you think like, is there like someone that if like now you'd feel like I'm not feeling well, like is there someone that you'd call now and like ube sure ukuthi this person ngizokwazi ukumthola?
Mina nginayo umuntu onjalo.
Yo
Yeah.
unaye? Yo.
Nginaye. But sometimes
Yeah, the problem
Yeah.
with me is
Okay.
lo muntu ex yami. Yeah, so kune issue.
Hey.
Yeah,
Okay.
there's an issue nyana. Mara yeah, the person's my ex. So noma ngekho right, uyazi ukuthi ngimfonela uzongitsho yenza sona so siwe grand.
So you can talk to that person.
Yeah, she's my ex mara yeah, si grand.
But how would you feel when if you were his
Medium.
girlfriend? Let's say wena.
No, mina
you're-
ngizokubuza. Okay.
Ex yakho.
Asithi siyajola ne.
Why kumele uvente ku ex yakho? Yini into kumele uyivente ku ex yakho? Mina ngikhona nje kusho ukuthi like ispace sami kuwe sithi
Angihloniphi yeah.
angihloniphi uxoxa ne ex yakho.
Mara mangijola ngizombuza umuntu wami ukuthi okay, are you comfortable or not? Then
Hayi mina ngibe comfortable.
sunyuyeka. Yabo.
Hayi. Yeah.
but manje when you are more comfortable with like venting out to your ex.
No, the problem with my ex ne.
Yeah.
Asile ukuthi like we fought and then we broke up. It's like we just broke up for those silly reasons. Yeah, so that's why we cool. So yeah, that's the problem.
Like in Procape, what happened like actually?
Sure. Okay, so you know what happened? December ne? Was it 2024?
Okay.
Yeah. So I lost my phone.
Okay.
And then communication. She was expecting me to ngimtext ku IG ngilog in. But angina phone ngizologa in ngani. angina phone okay ngiyayithola phone like 2 weeks after ne and then you know when you like you haven't been speaking communication yaleka
Okay.
and then after abona le ayisebenze I didn't break up with her, she broke up with me.
Okay.
Ninyathi okay, it's cool. Then next week I got a new hand kwaba issue. So vele this girl you wanted her and you know girls how they are. Mara sothini.
And why do you guys like do that? You know, like masculine relationship, ane? Maybe I do something that upsets you, and then you decide, you know what? And our girls are having tendency, like this tendency of umuntu need to get, and then when there's something bad, and then they say she just go MIA. You see, now she's nowhere to be found. You see, and stuff like that, and then you decide to move on with your life. You see.
It's gonna be an issue.
It's gonna be an issue. What makes that? Why you girls do that?
Why?
Mina ngibala.
No siyabuza.
Yeah, like from a perspective of intombazana, like you should have an idea.
Why abangani bakho benza kanjani?
Why ladies behave like this?
Angazi.
Bakhulumele.
Ngibakhulumele angazi.
Khulumela abantombazana ukuthi why lenza lento liyenza.
Yeah, yini lento enza ukuthi like mhlambe ma sithi like secure relationship, then I do something maybe ecasula, and then you decide ukuthi you know what, I'm just gonna leave this guy, but without even letting him know.
Hey
ukuthi
mina
this is where we
angazi, but
stand.
mina angiyenzi lento leyo. Into
Mara you will
mangiphethe
never understand
kahle.
girls. Bheka abantombazana uzomnikeza yonke into ne? Uzocheater. Either way, regardless.
Ethukuxoxela mina, angisingibuza ukuthi why. Ngathi angazi. Reason being mina into mangiphethanga kahle. Ngisho nje sisasuka.
Straight.
Angipholisi maseko. Ngisho sisasuka angipholisi maseko silungise. Akusiza ukwata kusho ukuthi wena mangabe kenzakala something uzolo busy change ama relationship ngathi change ipende. Yandapende or repaint. No guys, hlala phansi nomuntu wakho nilungise
ngoba so you can move on.
Move on.
Yes.
Hayi ke kusho ukuthi ke angazoba isinkwa somphakathi. Uloku busy move on, bag head to move on, bag head to move on.
Okay, why do girls cheat?
Maybe suka bangaphathekanga kahle. Abanye ba cheater because badonswa imali. Khona bafana abakudonsa ngemali. You understand? Khona abantu amazana athanda I lifestyle fancy.
Okay, wena bofunani kimi wazi ukuthi anginamali. Ngitshele.
Yo uyibhekisa umuntu na wrong because mina ngidate for imali as long as uzongithanda kuri uze ngama intentions are pure. Into bengihlezi ngisho ukuthi ungangisheli ngemali iza uwe ungakhulunyelwa imali.
Okay.
Imali akungakukhulumeli because angazi ukuthi uyithole phi kanjani. You understand? So akungcono ngifind out esengu relationship ukuthi kanti umuntu omnemali. Unlike when ungijothi I can do this for you baby wara your money, it's your money. Uyisebenzele or angazi uyithole phi. I don't give a damn.
But it goes 50-50 lento lena. Let me tell you, this thing of like gents trying to lure you guys with money. Like this thing to me it's similar to you guys like obviously when you go do your makeup, your hair, like you see, like there are girls who do that just to attract guys, you see. Then there'll be guys who just go and want to go see flash just to attract girls, you see. So it's a 50-50 thing, you see. We it's just that we do it like in a different way.
Mara kanjalo banekwababa.
Ekwababa.
Yeah.
Mina njalo.
Umjito oshow off ngemali. Unekwababa. Without imali uyazi ngeke khona kumthola lo mntwana.
Angizwani nje mina lo muntu ongishela ngemali futhi
But also abanye basuke bacabanga ukuthi it's what girls like, it's what girls love.
Yes, girls like. No mara untombazana une price vele either way. Naye Dimples une price yakhe. Hayi ukuthi like instead of charging mara une price ukuthi mina umthengele lokho nalokho because ugele.
Mina ngihluphani ke shem.
Instead of no mungangihluphi ugele. Khona into emele ngithengele yona. Uyazi yajola.
Balanye ngokuhlalela ngazathi manje yabona angithi kunalabantu amazana ukuthi mina ngifuna i-monthly allowance. I'm not like that. Uzongenzela mawufuna enanye ngize kucele angikhona ukucelana. Mina ngikhona nje mina ukucelana.
Unless if like I have money or aba like like can you just do this 1 2 3 for me, then if I'm able to assist nakhona, if I'm able to assist,
Mangikhona.
I will assist yabo, not to say manje like it's a must like
khona amantombazana
like,
njalo owazi ukuthi wena monthly uyazi ukuthi kumele
Uyikhiphe le
ngisendele
mali.
ugirl imali.
yeah, when do you get the monthly allowance?
No, umuntu ngiphi imali
Ima, uyatshona?
makafuna. Yes. Ungiphi imali makafuna and like anye ngimhlale la, you understand? So ngazathi manje yimi umuntu eyi-1 une family yakhe, ne family yami guys, unama responsibility, unomama lo muntu, you understand, nabo sisi.
Okay.
Asim ngi-1.
Okay, tell me, when would you stay? Okay, here's a guy approaches you, you're in love with the guy, like Nachola and stuff, who you see now, and then would you stay in a relationship whereby the guy doesn't give you any money, the guy like doesn't spend on you, the guy doesn't even buy you gift? Would you stay in that relationship?
Yeah, like ngiyakhona ukuzenzela imali yami, first things first, angidependele emntwini. You understand? Imali ayithenga uthando. As long as angithanda, angihlonipha, nje ngi-right. Azi ukuthi okay, uDimples usespacing sami and ngiyamhlonipha. Ku-right. Mina asingumuntu o-complicated and angifuni ukuthi ngize ngicomplicate i-life yomunye umuntu. You understand? Already naye mhlawumbe uneyinkinga zakhe engazazi. Uze la empilweni yami ukuthi athole uthando naye athandwe, hayi ukuthi azotexwa. Yes, in this life imali yasebenza guys, siphila ngemali, impahla imali, toiletry, yabona into ezinjalo. But mangikhona ukuziyenzela nami self,
mara khona umjola like ongalast without imali, ama gift nalento ezinjalo.
umjola wami ongalastanga ngemali bo owe 3 years. Kulo walo guy lo bengimusho last ukuthi sajola the whole 3 years angila.
Akila.
Angila egcineni. No, ngile ngonyaka ogcina futhi.
Yeah, I should like you were
Azang-
gone.
Yo,
Gone girl.
Abe ngigone girl lapha ya. Mina
When you
I
were
make
gone.
sure when I'm in a
Yeah, I've been
relationship.
gone.
How
Obviously,
many years
with-
was it? What's your highest? Yeah, what's your highest?
Highest I could say maybe it's probably a year, bro. I won't lie to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never exceeded a year. man.
Aliyapusha yo.
I've never exceeded a year.
Aliyapusha.
And,
1 year.
and do you feel like, and this thing, do you think people who stay, like, who are most likely to not stay in a relationship, do you feel like those are players?
Good on what? Who what?
Who are most likely, like, who are most likely, like, to stay in a relationship? Do you think, like, are players?
Nah, I don't think so.
Why then? He not wrong.
I don't think so. I think ukhona umuntu. Ha umuntu bakhona, hayi. Awukhona. Yazi mawukhona. Yo. Siyami. Akazi ube khona.
Ngeke ngaba gone.
Kunjani kuba khona?
Kumnandi kuba gone.
Yebo.
Mina, what I'm trying to say, ngisho ukuthi, like, do you think abantu, like, maybe you didn't get the question. I'm saying, do you think, like, abantu laba abangahlali kuma relationship,
Abangahlali.
yeah,
Okay.
do you think
bengithutha abahlala?
ama players labo bantu labo?
No. I don't think it's ama players.
Ila abantu abanama deal breakers. If you do something like this, uphuma kuwe. Akakuncengi. It's not good to play.
Khona abantu abangakwazi ukubekezela.
Yeah. When uyabekezela. Your highest is 1 year. So awubekezeli wena.
Hayi mina ngiyabekezela.
3 years, yeah.
Ngiphoza
Yeah, but
yokubekezela.
Uyabekezela.
you can, yeah.
Wena awubekezeli because 1 year.
Wena?
Highest.
Yeah.
6 months.
6 months.
Hayi
Yeah.
nawe ke awubekezeli.
Yo ayidala ngizama yo.
Ha.
Ayidluli 6 months.
Serious?
Ayidluli 6 months. After 6 months.
Yo.
Sengazi vele 6 months. After 6 months.
And how does that
done.
make, like, when, like, what are your relationship, like, wish goals? Hlampe over, like, ish, like, mang dates, this is what, like, I would like to happen. Do you wanna, like, stay in a relationship nomuntu for a
I
long
wanna
time?
stay mara ish. Kuba ne flop yabo.
Yeah,
Between him noma ugirl oflopayo.
yeah.
Then iyaphela every time. After 6 months.
Nazama makukulungisa before iphela.
Siyazama. Mara ezinye izinto azilungiseki.
Njengani?
Kusho ukuthi ke
Njenga my
usuyenze
last
extra.
relationship.
Yeah.
Ay. Ayilungiseki.
Wenzeni?
Wenzeni?
Noma uwe, yeah.
Awuye asiyi.
Wenzeni?
Okay. Besijola ne.
Yeah.
Before we dating. Beka ne cousin.
Okay.
You know those guys who say it's my cousin but it's not your cousin. That's how cousin yami thought. They're like, okay, before we started dating, sure. Everyone was surprised. Cousin, you're so close. Ay.
It can't.
The third month, ngiyasho ukuthi mangitshela and okay, ngizothula. Yabo? Ngiyaba busy esayidini. Ngiyameka enza into yakhe. Until azobuya kimi uthi this is not my cousin. What. Athi yami yakho sisi ayisasebenzi. Kuphela ngiyashaya indlela.
Shit.
You see?
Yo, that was so painful, Mos. Yo. But do you think these relationships, Amanji, they would last without a gift and
Yeah.
dates and stuff?
Ay mara.
Kure
ngeke,
never.
ngeke.
Kure.
Especially kubantu ntombazana. Girls wanna be taken out first. Bafuna ama gift. Amajita ay. Noma nginikeza nga gift. Amajita sifuna into eyi-1. Siyazi funani. Akekho umjita engajola engayifuni into le.
Yeah.
Unamang.
Awunama.
Yabo. Amajita noma vele.
Bathayidla papa ngithi.
Ngeke sidle vele.
Bathayidla papa, so like why?
So amajita vele you see.
So, ayikho relationship last at these days without these
Abantu
things.
bamanje khohlwa. Bathanda lifestyle ephezulu. Bafuna ukuhlezi ba maintain lifestyle leyo. And once uyiqalile, kumele uhlezi uyimaintainile. Once wathola umuntu azi ukuthi lo uzo maintain lifestyle. Once wahlukana naye, uzoyenza sure ukuthi uthola omunye because of like anyeke ufuna ukubuyela le kwa zero. Never. So kure ukuthola i-relationship ilastile kungenama gift nemali.
Yakhinga last amanye nama gift.
Na kilastile nje. Angatholi
How many months?
3 years.
Iyo leka 3.
Oh yeah le. Namanje.
Eka 3 years
No,
leya.
leyiphelile.
Okay le manje.
I3 years leya manje.
Nayo.
Nayo
Yeah.
manje.
Without gift.
No, ngiyawathola ne, but asinto you understand. Yeah, because asingumuntombazane le ehlala nala. That's why ngisho ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuzenzela izinto. You understand?
When umuntu wakhe amgift.
Yeah, sometimes, bro.
Yeah,
You give her money.
Yeah, sometimes I do.
Like cash with knife, baby.
Yeah, I would. Yeah.
Does she ask?
Sometimes she does ask.
Then you give her.
It depends if I'm able.
Oh,
or-
okay. Yeah.
It depends.
So,
So you can't
kunjalo.
say good manji. Like Klampe Magazo were like, I need this money and stuff like that. Then I'm like, then Mbuzo would say how high or how much. Then I jump. Nah, you see. Obviously I would have to check. It's okay. Am I able now? Do I have that money? You
Sebenza
see?
ngebudget.
Yeah. So yeah, isebenza kanjalo.
Yeah, kunjalo. Ayikuthi angatholi at all. Ngiyawathola, ngiyaspoilwa, but bese ngisho ukuthi asingi labantu laba abaclinge ukuthi manje hey
Ngifuna
man
i-gift,
ending for you understand
ngifuna
just for
imali.
show offer. No. Mabe ngifuna something, if I'm able to do it for myself, then why not? Why mele ngihlupha umntana omunye umama? Naye sothi bayamhlupha labamhleli la. Hey na re batla 1 2 3 maqeda nami ngiyafika futhi ngibaclinge.
Let me ask, when out here, what is the healthy relationship like for you? A relationship you would say, this is the relationship I would love to be in.
Mina.
Like, yeah, your expectations in a relationship, like, yeah.
Mina ngiprefer ukelo zongithanda.
Okay.
Ngimthanda kakhulu.
Yeah.
Into engiprefer. Hello ngesi uzongithanda ngizokuyenzela yonke into. That's a healthy relationship for me. Don't cheat. Ngakubona nabafana too much. Angisho ukuthi ungabi nabangani abangabafana ne. Mara boys, you know, ay. Intombazana ngithemba inabafana.
Serious?
Hayi. Wena umuntu akakuthemba mawuna abafana.
Yeah, cause uyazi
Unawo,
ngisebenza
Masmanje.
like
Okay, because wena usebenza nabo.
Yes.
Okay, wena usebenza nabafana, mara busy uhlezi nabafana. Wena ungamthemba? Yebo.
Obviously, trust is built also. Yeah, but you can't say we are building a trust ngapha like umuntu wako always with guys. Nah. Okay. Okay, let's go into this. Like 2025 like so phela ane like mfuna, and with this traumatic like experience that you had to go through, like and everything that has happened throughout the year, what is it that you feel like 2025 like has taught you and you feel like you can teach other people?
Yeah.
You never go what is.
ne
Boko
Like
ne. Ngiyabona yo.
bengo anganakisi so ish ingifundisa into eziningi ethi ngibheke ithi ngizama ukucabanga ukuthi yabona.
Do you know mina ukuthi ungifundiseni?
Ukufundiseni.
There's something that I wrote ku status this morning actually. Ukuthi I'm seeing like our influencers are taking over the internet.
Can I ask something?
Yeah.
Do you think influencers are the new celebrities?
Yeah,
Because angisayiboni difference influencer and celeb. Besides ukuthi i-celeb izophuma ku TV. Mara nama influencer phuma ku TV.
ayaphuma ku TV.
So what's the difference?
We've seen ama podcast going go Mzansi Magic. So
Yebo.
that's TV. So like you see, so
So ama influencer
we are one and the same thing.
It's just the same.
We are just one and the same thing.
Yazi ngifundiseni ukuthi elifini ukubekezela ne and then impilo eshashayo asiyiyo like impilo eshashayo because abantwana ngibalimele like ngempilo eshashayo. For example yabona njengoba nikhuluma ngalama influencer yabona izinto ezinjalo because of bafuna leyo lifestyle mele baye through izinto abanye bagcine babulawa and stuff because of bafuna impilo eshashayo. So ukubekezela nje nempilo eshashayo isikhathi sakho masingakafiki guys asikakafiki bekezela when the time is right the Lord will make it happen. Sometimes ukujahela izinto uzozijahela kanti uzilandela ukufa okuzilandela izifo yabani kuningi ekenzakala lifeini. That's why bengisho earlier ukuthi like angisithandi istrata mangathi ngiyaphuza ngiprefer ukuphuzela like indoors unlike ngizule estradeni because sekukubula ngaphandle.
Okay, as I was saying, what mina 2025 like has taught me, because I wrote this thing recently as ngisho ukuthi this morning, you see.
Yeah.
I wrote there ukuthi okay, I want exactly like quote like exactly what I wrote, you see, just to summarize and just to give you an idea. So like as ngisho ukuthi I've seen ukuthi ama influencers like are taking over the internet. And but now some of them now like they are arrogant, like kind of arrogant just because of now they have fame, like they feel like they have power, you see. Remember, even Young Duck said it. First you get the money, then you get the power. You can't get the audience, then you think you got the power. No, because that audience, there are people, I mean, I've seen people who've got like a huge number of audience, but at the end of the day, that audience, it's no more active. It happens, you see.
It's no more what?
It's no longer active.
Okay.
Let me give you a typical example. Let me just say like I joined, let me just say maybe I have like 2 million followers, you see. Maybe I like Klampe, like I gained traction maybe like back in 2012, you see. It's now that I have like 2 million followers.
Yeah.
There are a lot of people that have left us like in that space, like in that space of like from 2012 up until now. There are a lot of people that have left us, and some of them, they're your followers. So some of them, they're not even using that same account. It doesn't mean Uguti, because of now, it doesn't mean Uguti, that whole full 2 million, it's there. You can find out Uguti, it's only 200,000 people who are still there. Who are
The
still
rest
fucking
are
with you.
not there.
The rest is not there.
Yeah.
So like this thing of thinking Uguti, you've got power now, it's something else, man. You see, and now, and how can I put it? Like this thing of thinking about also you're at the top. They were circulating videos ku TikTok engayibona emunye gogo asho ukuthi into eyingozi ilento ukuthi uyitshela ukuthi uphezulu, not realizing ukuthi uzowa lo phansi uyozokhuphuka. You see. So in life, in this life, what I've learned ukuthi like don't ungathathela abanye abantu phansi just because of when you've got this and that. You see, maybe they say you bought a car, now you think abanye abantu like no, because of now kana moto, you see, and stuff like that. No, don't do that. 2025, that's what like this year had really taught me ukuthi like in whatever that oyitholayo celebrate for others now. The next day they will celebrate for you.
Yeah,
You see,
Yeah,
isikhathi
yeah.
sakho
Ungabi,
masifika.
yes. Ungabi ukuthi manje because of when you've got this, you've got that. Now you think you are better than other people. You see, no, it does not work like that. Life doesn't work.
Which
like that.
influencer do you think is humble? Like influencer ubona ngani upholile man.
Humble.
In all the influencers you know.
Humble. Let me see. Humble influencer. Let me check.
Why is it hard to think?
Konje ubani
Ubani?
anye ngithi angazi noma ngizothi influencer yini
Yeah,
lona manje osebenza ku Jozi uNtuli ubani
Upheni Ntuli.
Penny Ntuli
Oh, yeah, ne?
yeah Penny
She's
Ntuli.
very humble.
She's humble.
Yeah,
Penny
she's
Ntuli,
very-
yeah.
Yeah, that one I could agree.
Yeah.
Penny, she's very, very humble.
Yes.
Very, very humble.
What about kasi influencers laba hlala kasi?
Kasi,
Soweto, Tembisa,
Israel.
Eastrand, Vosloo.
Yeah, Tembisa, it's Israel either way. Let me just check. I have to go with. I would say Smile. Yeah, I'd give it to Smile. Yeah, Smiley for the babies. Yeah, he's humble, that boy.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And but yasizana ne?
Yeah, they talk
Yeah.
good things about him.
everyone is talking good things
Yeah.
about him.
Yeah. But it's just that there are people who can come out with one talk bad stuff about you. It
Yeah.
happens. Khona
Mara ama
abantu-
hate ahleze khona vele.
Akhona.
Yeah.
Regardless.
Life-
Into right.
When
into
which
wrong.
influence do you think Kasi influencer is very humble?
Smile. Bengifuna ukuthi smile vele.
Wena?
Mhm.
Okay, let's go to girls. Like let's
Girls.
Go to girls. Yeah.
Sure. Kasi.
Yeah, Kasi.
Girls.
What can you think of when? Kasi.
Sibone.
Let me check mina.
Angikaze ngahlangana naye ne
Bani?
and for mina njoba bengilo ngimbhekele
Kuma
ku social
video.
media. Snowy.
Snowy. Snowy.
For mina.
Okay.
Palisa.
Uyamazi?
Pretty Palis.
She looks humble.
Uyamazi Snowy qala?
Snowy. Maybe ngumazi ngokumbona.
Uyamazi? Ish.
Maybe ngumazi ngokumbona. Probably. Yeah, but you're right also. Pretty Palis.
Pretty Palis.
Yeah, she's very. Yeah, and she's not out like that. That's what I love about her. She's not out like that. Nah. There are influencers who are out like everywhere, bro. Yeah, but my influence I'm to Amelu Ifag.
Middle's fag, yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Ne?
yeah.
And
Okay.
uyamazi yazi?
I do know
Uyamazi
it.
yazi? Waduma ukuthi i-iPhone emuva.
Snow White, Lord.
Snow White.
Yeah. Snow phela Snow.
No,
Like
Yeah,
sengiyamteketisa,
Snow.
sengiyamteketisa guys,
yeah,
ngiyamteketisa
yeah,
Snowy,
Snow.
ngiyakuteketisa
Snow.
Snow White,
Yeah, yeah.
ngiyakuteketisa Snowy. Yeah, for mina njalo ngilong busy ngibheka ama video akhe yabona. Yeah, umuntu obhabli nje. Umuntu
Yeah, she's
abantu.
also yeah.
umuntu
Snow White,
abantu.
she's also she's very humble.
Yeah.
Very. Then gay influencers. Which one do you think maybe is also humble?
I don't have any.
You don't have anyone
Who's humble?
who's humble. Yeah, no matter like bubbly cause vele.
Gays
most
are
of them-
bubbly
Aye,
vele.
bubbly.
Bubbly.
Yeah, and you
Yeah,
can't
but
take
Yeah,
that
but
away
also
from
you-
them.
Mampela.
Yeah, you
That's
can't
their
take-
character.
Yeah,
vele.
yeah. You
They're
Yo
can't
public
take
ngithule
that
people,
kanje
that's
ngizama
why.
ukuqaba.
take that away
Ngiyabona.
from them.
Yo.
You can't take that away. How do you think about the Ice Poppy? What do you think about that one? Do you know Ice Poppy?
Which one is that one?
I should tell Maz.
Yeah, ice poppy
Oh,
Yeah.
humble.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I can say you're humble.
Yila abantu laba bangafuna ukuphaphelwa. Obviously nami yanye ngifuna ukuphaphelwa. But like yena uhambula umuntu
Wonke umuntu akafuna
abantu.
ukuphaphela.
Umuntu wabantu nje. Ngasho.
So humble naye.
Yeah, ngasho ngayibeka kanjalo.
Okay.
Like kunabantu bakhe. Kunabantu bakhe, yeah. Thingisho kanjalo.
When are you humble?
Mina. Yeah.
Bongasho ukuthi awukho humble wena.
Mina ngihambule mina.
Bongasho ukuthi wena awukho humble.
Bengizosho ukuthi mina angikho humble.
Wow, should to humble.
Hmm?
Wow, should
What
to
makes
humble.
you
Because
ukuthi-
ngihambule
because
Because
angithi njalo.
ngihambule.
No, not you can't say it because you're humble. Like,
Hayi,
what do
nina
you
Sham,
think makes you
ningifuna
think so good to humble?
inkulumo.
Are you humble?
Hey,
Hey,
I mean, I'm a bit bubbly, bro, but I don't want like someone else on labo. Yeah, I'm very quiet. Like I don't want to. I'm very
you're
quiet.
very quiet.
Yeah, too much.
Okay.
Quiet.
Yeah.
Quiet.
Awantwana uyangiphikisa mos.
Quiet. Hani nami ngithe ngihambule wangiphikisa nami quiet. Hey banda.
You can be quiet.
Hayi,
Hayi,
yo, I'm quiet.
uyabona
I'm
Umuntu
quiet.
kulena
bajambona,
ngivumelana nawe.
I'm quiet, bafethu. And then I think Jillian, like, what do you think? Do you think like isn't now that are happening like internet, like the way phela manje, like I think our life revolves around internet, and do you think like they're making like us like to be more informative or like just confused like in such a way?
Internet. Yes, confused.
Kanjani?
Because when internet,
Yeah.
yonke into enzeka ku-internet sayibelieve mara izinto azikho ivar.
Aish.
Yeah.
Why not? Not everything is true.
Like what, Lampe? What's that story maybe that you've come across and say, this is the reason I'm saying this.
Okay. Let me think.
But you're right, because Utabo Besta, I'll bring out Lento Utabo Besta. Utabo Besta, that guy, if like you look into his story, like now you'd be shocked with all of this happened in SA.
Hey. Nale ka-cat. What did cat do?
Cat
Mina
matter.
ngimazi mina indaba ka-cat.
Yeah, okay.
Ngazi ama-Woolworths bag mara. Into engiyaziyo le ukuthi ama-Woolworths bag.
Uket's like obviously he's been working closely with prominent people like labantu abaphezulu. You see, so-
Ministers ne?
Yeah, like it's a lot.
No,
of
because I
people
heard he
that-
gave allegedly. Hey, he gave Fikile Mbalula 200k. I'm sure. Yeah, 200k.
Kwala bambuza khona bathi, have you ever been there's a picture of you with Ramaphosa. Have you ever been with Ramaphosa?
What did he say?
He said no. But there are pictures, but they say there are pictures of him. Allegedly, they say there are pictures of him and Ramaphosa. So you can never
Together.
know. Yeah, together. See, so into ngisho with into kaThabo Besta. uThabo Besta mfethu obviously now is arrested angithi.
Yeah.
But there's a series that came out kaThabo Besta. How did that happen? He's right when he says internet sometimes it confuses us because now how can you be arrested and then there's a series of you iyaphuma ku Netflix? Like, does it make sense?
It doesn't make sense.
Ayenzi sense.
Ayenzi sense.
Mina
Ayenzi
ngathi i-boat yabona
Okay.
because kune access eningi
Yes.
like kune access
Yes.
but at the very same time
Yes.
misinformation, you understand, like ziningi njoba usho ukuthi iya confuse vele uyabona now isitory sikaThabo Besta uyazibuza usejele mara kuphume into yakhe kune misinformation.
Yeah, but also it's a public
khona umuntu
platform.
osejele ubani? Ushebe shit.
Yeah,
Usho
Shebe-
uzophuma. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi uzophuma ushebe. You think he's gonna
I don't know. Indaba kaShebe, he's facing so many charges now.
Kuningi.
And he had a lot of
December,
gigs.
kube-
He
yo,
had a
bekaza
lot of
ama-gig
gigs.
Yo, njoba
December.
futhi ku December
He had a lot
ngaka.
of gigs, that guy. And that's good. See, he was the most booked artist.
in South Africa, ne?
Yeah, in
I
South
heard
Africa.
that.
Yeah. Ushebe said.
So manje mawucabanga kuzoyenzakalani ngale imali lezi asebamuphezwana kuzomela ayibuyisele
Obvious.
noma
What else? What can you do?
uyidlile
When I also get
uyidlile.
booked, what do you do in instance to say now you were booked but you couldn't make it there?
You have to return the money or you schedule another date.
But what if they need you for that day, specifically for that day?
You have to return the money, you know.
So if like they gave you 50k, uzongitshela ukuthi like you going to
Because
return
mamela
50k.
ama-gig afani. Yabo? Okay, uhlala this side Soweto.
Yeah.
Then ube ne-gig eMpumalanga.
Yeah.
You can't make it. What are you gonna do?
Yeah.
You see? You have to return the money.
Yeah, because anyeke uvele uthi uzo reschedule wazela ukuthi uzophuma nini
Yabo. Ishebe shit.
wazela uzophuma nini so yeah.
But also njengoba
Did he
nithi-
even get a sentence or he's just
Nah, he appealed for bail and then they declined him bail and
Why?
then they postponed the case to 19 January next year.
So I think kumele abuyisele imali.
Akabisela imali khona
Azoyenza.
ayikho.
uDecember
Ubani uzojiva
uzobaphelile.
Ubani uzohamba ejiva ngoJanuary?
Or makabuya.
But ezinye izinto, but looking at like his story, do you feel like I feel like mfethu, do you feel like usathana nendlela like sometimes yokumoshela izinto like in a way like when things like are going good like yazi ukuthi you can commit a crime maybe today bakubambe next year December la uthi uzojiva khona kakhulu bakubambe ngento ya last year.
Usathana unjalo vele. Because mina kune time was 2023.
Okay.
Things were going well like endlini yonke into. And then out of nowhere my dad had an accident and mina I broke my leg on the same day.
You broke your leg like where?
Like ngiphukile inyawo.
Okay.
Ngaphuka. Out of nowhere ngizihambela. I slept and then it broke.
Yo.
On the same day naye waba ne accident. So vele usathana.
Do you have an experience when that you feel like maybe now like usathana had come true like in a way like where things is
Yeah.
what
I
happened?
have ka matric yaka. Like bekukuningi ne. So I fought nomfazi kamkhulu wami.
Okay.
So
umfazi kakhulu wakho.
yeah, nomfazi kamkhulu wami.
Ugogo phela lo.
Ugogo kabani? Ugogo kabani? Sorry, angihleki. Like no inhliziyo yami yababhlungu. No, not physically yabo.
Okay.
But
Emotional.
yeah, kuri yabona I think bebafuna ukubhayizisa imatric yami because that day I remember cabanga ifamily house marungixosha ku family house asukwakhe
Marugogo.
kabani no mangabe ufuna ukungixosha hamba uyenzile kwakho so bangixosha ne ngibhala kusasa ngiyabhala I think maths or physics. So luckily githi ngapha and then kuba next door and then ngabo babami. So I had ukuthi ngiyohlala kwababami until ngiqeda ukubhala. Beba expect ukuthi ngizofaila like dwi ubani boza wena. I'm the boss and ekubusa uNkulunkulu anye kuzobusa umuntu osemhlabeni ngempilo yami. Yabona into eyenzakele ngiyabhala ngiyabhayiseka ngiyaxoshwa like bekukuningi nje izinto eziningi zenzakele shamda sengifunda matric beng miserable.
Like labona ukuthi now ama relationship are last like yabazali most parents ba separateile why
I don't know what makes that. Yes.
I've realized most people don't stay with like full ukuthi mama nobaba ngihlala nabo
Especially now.
Now.
Maybe it's old traditional parents.
awuzona uthi umkhulu une step ngiyaqala ukuyizwa le mara yami
ukuthi
step gogo ngiyaqala step nabo zabo step gogo.
Hey, but
Yeah.
also man, do you feel like also lento le awucabanga mhlambe iyenzwe na i-social media ibulale i-trust ku so many relationships because now mangizothi kuwe hi ngisemsebenzini
Yeah.
then boom ngipost isithombe ngine colleague yami and like mouth ya check maybe colleague is more maybe handsome
Yeah,
or
yeah.
beautiful than
yo
wena.
Do looks matter vele? No, do looks matter to you? Ukuthi umuntu ubukeka kanjani?
no makamela bukeke angizohamba net love. Yeah.
angeke
No, okay. Ama looks ne. Sometimes inhliziyo guys ekhulumayo. Ungaba muhle mara awukwazi ukuthi kuthandwa kanjani.
Yeah.
Like unenhliziyo embi, you understand? But mangisho lokho angisho ukuthi nawe kumele ube iglove. Kumele like ubukeke yabo, you understand?
Do looks matter?
Well, they do ane, but also I think also ihambelana negrowth mfethu yabona like how I view things like at high school they're different how I view things now. Back then I used to look like for pretty hands only. Like that used to be like my main goal. Like good like you know what like I've got like the pretty nasendlini like noma kuthiwa udoma anginandaba
Mara muhle.
Muhle ngiyokutshela
Yeah,
umuntu wakho ucabanga le but ngiyaxoxisana yomuhle. Ngiyangithola. Back then, but now things have changed. We've grown. So I think about a lot of things, man. You see. And one thing that people don't actually see or which they tend to overlook, or it's this thing of like mawuzoba nomntana maybe nomuntu nawe obonayo ukuthi okay umntana uzoba muhle but lana like no wena mangakubuza manje, if you were to choose, like would you either uzala umntana bakutshela ukuthi lo mntana lo mongalala nalo uzoba ipresident umntana khona, noma ulale nalo kuthiwe lo mntana lo mawumzala o mawuthola umntana nalo muntu lo mhlambe uzoba influence, which one would you choose?
President obvious.
Angithi yabo. So and mawuthi uyacheka, obviously influencer it's more good looking because mele lithandwa abantu, but a president hey owethu njani my friends
but bazoba ni podcast
sikhuluma bazoscancela. No, I'm just kidding. Bazoscancela.
Right president wethu, right
president. Yeah, alright president.
Serial.
Yeah, Serial is the best. So yeah, so back then vele looks actually they used to matter, but now they don't matter anymore.
Yeah, they
for
don't.
me, when do they matter
don't.
to you now?
No,
they don't. Mina shema ukukhuluma inhliziyo yomuntu, impatho yomuntu.
Yeah.
As long as ungithanda right, ungirespecta, kuri nje yabo.
Mara mele ungabi mubi. Mara mele ube muhle.
Obvious mele ube ukuthi in my eyes. Angeke ngithi
yachazeka.
Yeah, as long as uchaza mina. There's no need noma ngana mangafika athi intombi yakho yimbi. It's cool, but mina when I look at her, I don't see that. You see? Mina I see something different. You see, so as long as mina I'm satisfied, it's cool, it's chai. Yabo. So mina I'm okay. Yabo.
What's your type?
My type.
I've never heard your type. What's your type?
My type it's obviously, as I said to it doesn't actually go with looks now. So like it's someone like
what do you prefer?
Man, I prefer someone like how can I put it, bro?
Hey.
I just want to put it like accurately, like awumobeki istina saka simende mfethu wakhetha kancane hayi yangithola. So obviously my type like is someone it's someone not light skin, man. I would say dark beauty is also okay.
Not light skin?
Yeah. Not light skin. Yeah, not light skin. Dark beauty is also okay. Just abe nothando, man, you see. And kuba umuntu onenhliziyo enhle, like with good heart. Like there yes good you date someone like onenhliziyo. It happens.
Yeah.
Not unknowingly. Like udate umuntu onenhliziyo nje. It happens. You see. And manje imagine if now you have a kid with that person, umntana yena uzoba njani? You see?
And what's your type?
Ngina type mina.
Awuna type?
Angina type.
Ngiphathe kahle. Ngiyayithanda lento.
Ukuthi angina type.
Like
serious.
Yeah.
Sure, yonke into
No sengiyasho ukuthi njobe bengishila ngithi ungibuza.
Fana nobani le influencer. Ungatshela no Bruce. Since utawuna type. Angisho ukuthi akabukeki, yeah, please. Yeah.
Njobe bengishila. As long as unempatho, hlonipha abantu besifazana. Qala okay, abantu besifazana it's either ngizoqala ukubona ukuthi uyamhlonipha mamakho. Umhlonipha mamakho uyithatheni inhliziyo yami or antu wakho usisi wakho you understand. Impatho, inhlonipho like nje uzoba itype yami, mara ungabi iglove.
Iglove umuntu onjani?
Nawe.
Umuntu onjani?
Ngikwazi iglove. Unjani iglove? Example.
Glove.
When iglove umuntu onjani?
Yakuzange ithi
mina guys glove.
So angazi azange khulume ngama glove mina.
Mina sengiyasho mara ungabi glove, ubukeke nje. Ungabi like ungathusi.
And now there's this thing, like I feel like most relationships are driven by lust and sex. You
True.
See? Do you feel like it's important, like prior you guys getting into a relationship? Do you think it's important to go to hlampe
you have sex?
Talk about these things. Go to I'm not comfortable maybe having sex at this point. You see? Do you think like just to know
boundaries? Umuntu understand, kumele understandane ukuthi ngithandani, angithandini, yini engithena off, kanjalo lapho
inekuthena on futhi
yeah yini ngithanda hey wena ayisuka man
wale izinto ezimthena on and off mos
no sengiyasho ukuthi like kubalekile vele ukuthi kukhulunywe ngayo so that wazi uthi okay sharp ayanda umuntu so mangizoyenza into so like akazusani nayo nje mele kube nama boundaries thingibe kanjalo one word boundaries
but mfethu to us ama-gents we feel like sex is necessity ukuthi yenzeke in a relationship obviously like it's just to strengthen the relationship. How do you guys feel?
Yazi abanye banjani ukushela today ufuna sex today
hayi today
guys no
labo banjalo
ufuna today
like abanye bakushela today ufuna sex today
alama one night stand labo ama after night after 9
so wena like ufuna uguy umlindise for isikhathi singakanani
yeah is 3 months mostly 3 months I'm sure
yeah
3 months is too much.
Too much for who?
It's too much.
But I don't think khona uzolinda.
Mangalindi ukuthi you are not for me.
Ungalinda wena 3 months wena.
Mangalindi you are not for me. Hayibo.
Yeah. Ngayilinda.
Mangalindi kusho ukuthi nje you are not meant for me. Then dlula bakhona bazo.
What's the longest you've waited when to chow?
To chow?
Yeah. Like into was like put her like hold. Iba like mfethu you must be on hold. When I know vele
yeah.
It's cool.
4 months.
4 months?
Yeah.
I ngeke survive.
Guys, like sex ayibaleki sex if uyangithanda.
And then what's the shortest? And then what's the shortest like you've waited like one day. Kusasa ziyakhala.
No namhlanje zakhala. Namhlanje zakhala.
Yeah, it happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, it happens. I've once came across that. Like isihlangana it happens. Like isihlangana namhlanje.
Mhlambe ngisuke nilambile ne2.
Hayi sithi silambile.
Akusukulamba.
Nisuke nilambile
amagama like sometimes yabona sometimes like i-conversation my flow amfethu like girl yakuthi like kwanathi phela this thing not ukuthi yenzakala kini kuphela kwanathi like sibona lento ukuthi but man lo umuntu ngiqeda kuhlangana naye how can I sleep with this person like ngiqeda kuhlangana naye but it happens ukuthi like just after you qeda kuhlangana like obviously like the vibe is there and then like everything just fall into place. It happens, you see. Did that relationship last?
No, 2 weeks we say.
And how were you after that? Like bonjani after?
I'm not right ngichophile.
We batata.
Yo, ngeze ngichophile right.
Like you didn't fall into love.
Umuntu first day awukhechi man. Umuntu uzolala naye namhlanje. Nangiprefer umuntu ozongidonsela 5 months. Yeah. Uyengazi ukuthi yeah.
Yeah, hayibo.
So wena umuntu like ohlangana naye namhlanje umhlabe namhlanje red flag go.
Red flag. Yeah, that's
it's just uhlabisa uhamba hlabisa man easy mas.
Easy.
Ukona uhlabisa today ngihlangane nawe.
Mele ngikuncenge until uzuvume. Yabo.
So okay like kuyenzeka ukuthi okay usitshele wena ugel kuyenzeka ukuthi akuncanywe but still akulindise lokho ekuthanda.
Yeah.
Yes.
It happens
Yes. Nakho mos nayo story sami utho yasazi mos.
Yeah no.
Bengimncanywa mara walinda.
Amnikanga.
Hayi.
Akamnikanga for 3 years.
Hayi. Oh, hayi. Akhona lapho bekayithola khona ayikho le 3 years.
Right, yazi ngiyitho
ngayithola 3 years wena 3 years.
Ngeke.
Bengamnikeza. Khona lapho uthola khona 3 years.
Uzwa mina ngathini ne?
Wamtshela.
Wamtshela ukuthi
uyithatha. Ungayithatha noma kuphi but for mina angikho ready.
Mara bomthanda.
Yo bengimthanda.
So ngitshela uSiyamona would you judge a person ohlangana nomuntu today? I'm naked today. I'm shade kusasa. Or I'm shade next week. Would you judge that person?
Ngiyakujudge.
Umjudge uthini?
Yazi kune situation enzeke manje recently.
Okay.
Ngike abangani bami engikhona ukuyikhuluma le.
No, ngeke ufaka amagama.
Angeke ufaka amagama.
Mara bazoyibheka. Okay. Askiz. Kuyimenye ngiyenza. Labantu laba awujelanga nemonth. Sebafaka nama tattoo. Yeah. Akushanga imonth. I don't think uchop angazi hey ngaphi ukuchopha ngibara ya sebafakane nama tattoo wena ungayifaka tattoo less than a month so faka tattoo matching tattoos
ngeke maybe matching outfits
outfits
because something that's removable
umngani wami mara mina ngi accept lento le I wrong
mara at least lo mshadile usuka menzela into right nanoma nje at the later stage bangadivorce but at least hlangane naye
phela lithathu ihlala emzimbeni yo
amshada
benama
usemathandweni guys umntana
Are they still
1
dating?
month
Are they
yeah
still
they're
dating?
still dating
Which means
usemathandweni
they're in love. Phela, how long they've been dating now?
1 month. in
Oh,
some weeks
it's just
Wait.
one iman.
yeah say
Hey.
ngiyasho ukuthi hayi angifuni ukukhuluma ngayo
mara at least
mara
nje
skis
as long as bangafaka amagama ukuthi wena
mara lento
siyabonga
lehlala
But
nawo
still,
uzo
still.
khona ireason uyifake
yes still mara
Fe-
kunagama
okay,
lakho
first tattoo
umfana
yakho.
ozoza nyeka bona ukuthi ngiyenzele usiya hayibo
usiya ubani manje
Yo. Lolo.
umfana ozoza nyeka bona ukuthi
Yeah,
ngiyenzele
akuna stress athi yakhuleka. Kahle awungitshele ntwana. What's the like mangizojola now like what's the right time like ngimele like or what's the estimated like period of time like I should wait just before I could chop like for wena like a normal
mawenzani
like
uzojola nami
yeah mangizojola now.
ujola naye
Yeah, like what's the period mhlambe umuntu azomlindisa ukuthi amchophise
2 weeks
2 weeks
3 months
linda nanoma 2 months ke ngizokuphi grace
oh so 2 months
2 months or 3 months la ngifuna ukubona ukuthi serious abanye abantu bayakhalela kuphela hayi ngoba
wathi
bekuthanda
umlinise yonke isikhathi leso 4 months mara awukho mnandi
angikho mnandi there's no way my brother there's no way I'm so delicious
uzongilisa 4 months mara mangifika la hayi into emnandi
not
ngale
convincing
no
oh so means uyazi ukuthi umnandi
ngiyazazi
so
ngiyazazi yazi why futhi angihambi ngilong busy mina so ngimnandi kuri uyayibona lento manje if you know mangazithula
bayazi
if
thina
you
sazi
know mangazithula so yeah
serious
Hayibo.
yo yazi ukuthi mina mina I've never waited even like more than a month dog, to chop and I've never and at this point
in that
I
month
can't
uyabenza
yeah
in that month uyabenza
no ngithi angazi ngalinda longer than a month mina ukuthi ugela ngichophise awuthi angazi
yo nina
Oh.
nomnandi mos
angazi
unomnandi mos
angazi
even ungalinda leyo month umnandi wena
momjita phela obvious depend kugele
Uzolinda
but umjita
lini?
you can't but I don't want to lie I mean I've never waited longer than a month
naye phendula umbuzo
yeah
umnandi wena
umnandi wena cause uthi awulindwa
which means girls they
umnandi wena na
angithi uma umuntu uyazazi
Uyazazi ukuthi
uyabona
I'm like,
uma uperform ukuthi yo okay sharp umnandi wena
I'm a 10
wena umnandi wena
ay sobona khona
Phendula umbuzo, baba.
umnandi yebo ama-answer like kumele abe
must I rate noma
ungarate yebo noma cha
cha
awukho mnandi
yadlala
awukadlali kabi sithathe i-answer
hayi
yokuqala
ngimnandi
hayi yabo
Uzozibonela.
but as for Amachita it's hard to say for us you know
ugele
Hayi.
decide
okay not decide like it's you guys that decide like to be honest you
same
see-
applies
no listen
yini nendecider ukuthi umnandi in
listen it's
Hayibo.
ikutshela phela manje mangathiwa let's do if you were to rate your exes mfethu like they can't be all of them like the same percent it can't ukuthi all of
okay
them is
yipi
the
ex
same.
yakho kuwonke ama ex nomuntu wakho samfaka umuntu wakho oh yeah uyasho ukuthi lo
Umuntu wami.
kingiyajola
Nginkinga yajola
Wena?
uzofaka yena
no apart from ukujola iqiniso if bokusibanibani yes mara
When do you have that ex in fact feel
Kuthi yeah
even
Khona
noma
le-
intombi yami hayi
ayifiki lapho ukhona
yo okay
clean
yeah it happens like that
khona
yeah
vele,
ngithi
clean.
okay
yeah thina futhi amajita thina futhi it's so simple for us cause like mfethu like we know vele cause yithi abantu okay you girls can feel like ukuthi as much as like kuba yithi abantu esenzayo like tina it's so simple for us to tell ukuthi yeah like umuntu better compared to this one and that one ulo
Yeah.
Nathi sakhona ukusho ukuthi ubetter in.
go simple and then tina with us like okay without the fear of contradiction now I can say it now tina ma gents most of us abantu abamnandi ama ex wethu they can come for me Tjela for amachita ama exes wethu ngiyakutshela nasi ama exes wethu
kusho ukuthi let's say
but abantu bethu
let's because so ujwayele ex mhlawumbe ugcine kudala or something
no
manje mangabe uzohlukana nomuntu wakho uzoba ex uzoba mnandi
no mfethu that experience le ngibe nayo nalo yamuntu loyana mfethu like lo that specific person mfana to meet that level it's a problem
kusho ukuthi wena iqala le yeso khona baqala so Yayiqonda lento le kusho ukuthi wena uqale high that's why ukwazi ukurate ama ex akho ukuthi ya a delicious kunomuntu wakho
mara khona le ex yakhe 1 ukuthi yasitshela ukuthi
no sengiyasho
yeah
kusho ukuthi wena uqale so
no not really
but khona baqala so ukuthi lona beyangikho mnani yabona mara lo manje yesesness ungenzela umrevet it's not always the case ukuthi ama ex
for amachita
lesikhathi silika
ngithi kunjalo ayikho into esukithi mfethu it's like that for amagentleman
hayi ngicela ungangibuza skis no comment
nina njaja yeah
no comment
like what satisfies women kahle is it like ama dick sizes or it's
performance
it doesn't matter the size
I big size guys no but ungaba ne dick enkulu mara ungakhona ukuperforma ube ne dick encane ushaya umsebenzi you understand yeah
so lento le yenziwa ina ama strategic umtshitho abasebenzisayo or like
singasho wena mhlawumbe yenziwa yini as umjita cabanga kanjani man nama pillow talk lapha nithi hey baby
ngithi mfethu like ngizothini like kuba i-situation yokuthi sometimes ngithi kahle the first thing with us ukuthi like how tight is it
yeah
how tight is it qala it starts there you see that's where it start cause like vele mayifika like already like umgodi wasemayini like kunzima ukugubha igolide cause igolide balithathile babaleke nalo
awenzini
akaphisani ngayo
like akumelanga manje ube isinkwa somphakathi mawujike khoneni hayi nyamazi hayi ungangitsheli ngayo
nyamazi lo
you understand lapho vele izoba tight kanjani upha nama yabona
but ayenziwa ukuthi mhlambe mawushaya umuntu maybe on a dick size like yenza ukuthi mhlambe
angazi mina
vele uzoyizwa wena umjita like manje media yakho ne ihambelana nomunye umuntu mayizoza nawe lale na uzoza ukuthi hayi man le size le asi size yami le yayizwa ukuthi
kanti I stretch uphinde
okay namhlanje ne uyolala nomuntu uze nayi out yakho ilale nawe izozwa isize ukuthi
mangabe ubuya komuntu
one size yami
bigger size
enkulu kuneyami uyayizwa
asazi
mangena nje shwi
yazwa mana ngiyadrawna la
mina nangimangaza kulaba like beletha abantwana boss
yakhula
so
marizo
yeah
exactly,
but lapho it takes phela ngithi lento le remember angithi uyasho ukuthi same day le ukuthi mhlambe ulala nomuntu like today kusasa or today ulala nomuntu wakho like obvious uzofila but with umntwana there's a period phela umuntu wesimama there's a I don't know how long is it but there's a period
it's not a week maybe
like ukuthi yeah there's a period ukuthi ibuyele aphole because kunama species so mela aphole
since nibuza lento le wena uya experience lento le uya experience ukuthi umuntu wakho alale ngaphandle abuye umcha uze ukuthi something is not adding up and then ufila kanjani umconfrontile ukenzakaleni
uzoconfront
ulaba nonchalant wayenza
uzosithulela ubona mamu
Well, to
uyakwata
me, it wasn't phela it was like a situation of yeah, we were kind of like dating ane, but I wouldn't exactly say ukuthi like she was my main one, you see. Yeah, so I did not care at that time. Okay, I felt, but I got pissed off ukuthi
did you have a main at
Yabo.
that time
yeah.
ukuthi lo imedi yami did you have a main
Not really being freelancer nje.
Way. But guys, sometimes ukukhuluma yazi like I feel like ku right. Ukukhuluma like kumconfront umuntu.
umtshela ukuthi hayi man
Ukuthi like ngizwa something off la kuyenzakalani.
Yeah, but obviously yazi lento iqalaphi. Iqala okay with me obviously nathi singamajita like sinama flaws, I don't wanna lie.
yeah
Nathi phela intombazana sometimes kuyenzeka ukuthi umuntu wakho beyanga cheat but wagcine cheat because of now umtshengisa those type of actions ukuthi now we are seeing people outside. So I've once came across in a situation like that, you see. Maybe I'm the one who led her ukuthi agcine enza lezo zinto lezo. I wouldn't know. Yabo. So obviously for me I'm a confrontation and stuff, it was you know what, I tried but obviously uzo deny like, you know, like keep into mazanezovuma like somebody just chowed me like, you know, like a few hours ago. Ungavuma wena.
Mangabe iqiniso.
No, when I
okay
ungavuma.
baby bangidlile
Yeah. Mangabe angithi uyasho ukuthi mhlawumbe mangabe futhi ufila ngazathi uwo omlidela ukuthi ayenze lezi zinto lezo. Mangabe naye umuntu weqiniso uzosho ukuthi ya kuyenzakala into so because of ngifile ngazathi nawe bongiphusha away like ngezinto boziyenza. And then kulungiswe kube right. Guys sometimes
akulungiseki lo
akulungiseki kusho ukuthi uthanda ulukho ke nawe
wena ungalungiseka imedi yakho ihambe echa umunye umtshita waza
Waza
kuwe
ayisalungiseki.
chawini
Hayi mara
Maybe
ngoba
kissing,
namazange
yeah.
alungiseka
Ukissana.
Yeah, ayilungiseki. Yeah.
Mara okusalayo as long as uthola
Cheating,
iqiniso.
one thing about us gents, we don't condone cheating, like we don't.
But nayenza nisile nina.
Like I
Yes,
say
yes.
condone, like yabona mfethu
Hey,
with
hey.
us wachita
Mara-
sathola ngabo mangabe ngisahleli mhlambe it's for whatever reasons
mara
but I'm not
machita
there.
achithi ukuthi emotional uthi ngiyamthanda umchita khona ukuchitha engamthanda umuntu just nje just
yeah, it
because
happens. Just
Kusho
Siyakhona.
ukuthi nathi siyakhona ke.
No,
Alina-
ngikhona.
kune reason
There's always a reason.
Umuntu intombazana yakhona ukuchita ukuthi yabo nathi kune reason guys.
uke
Why
wachitha
Yeah.
uke wachitha
Yeah.
why
Because bengifila ngazathi uguy ungiphusha away ngezinto azenzayo. And like I told and then ngamtshela ukuthi no I did
Yenda
this because
lungisa.
of 1 2 3 we fixed not
Ayi strong
ngokocansi
le
angitshitanga ngocansi guys angidlalela
Oh,
ecansini
okay,
no
okay.
angidlalela ecansini but yabona lezo zokufletha yabona into ezinjalo ngeke ngachita ngibiza cheating because ukuchita
Yeah, ukufletha
nomunye umfana
Yeah, it's cheating.
Yeah,
Flirting,
anyeku-
yeah.
anyeku
And
ngithathe
it took
nomfana
me time for me to
ku-relationship.
understand it. But
So I was honest about
flirting
it.
is cheating.
I was
yeah.
honest about it. Ngamtshela ukuthi ngiyenze 1 2 3 because of ngifile ngazathi like nawe bongiphusha away ngezinto bolokuzenza and then we talk. That's why sometimes ukukhuluma kubalekile. It's either kuzolungisa as long as kuneqiniso phakathi. Amanga abhlungu kudlula iqiniso guys. Nalo iqiniso libhlungu but at least uyabona ukuthi okay sharp umuntu right. Makakhona ukungitshela iqiniso. Unlike phela ungibuza ukuthi hayi phela ngizwe kuyenza ke into so ngokuqambela amanga kusho ukuthi wena uzohlala ngalamanga ami because awuzange wathola iqiniso ngeke ungidampe ngamanga ekutshele wona uthi aqhubeka kuba isilima ngiyoqhubeka futhi ke because of sikholile isitori sami sokuqala that's why ngithi iqiniso guys sometimes li right mina ngizwana neqiniso nje ngitshela nje oba linjalo.
And there is this thing, like, I wanna like my relationship when you are gone, there are a lot of temptations. There are a lot of temptations. Like you'd get girls and like something like unomuntu ni right nomuntu wakho like ni happy.
yeah
Kufika nje umuntu nje ozokdistract nje kulo muntu onaye. Umuntu mhlambe ozokoffer like certain things like
Mara
mhlambe
yenzeka
ufuna ukuba
kuwo
nawe
umuntu le.
yeah ufuna ukuba nawe like ngithola like unomuntu ngaleso sikhathi leso and to us thina ama gents we lack it discipline so much, you see. Thina ama gents like we lack it discipline like so much. It's so simple. Yazi ukuthi it's so simple for a woman to convince me as a guy to chow her, but it's hard for me as a guy to convince you
Okay.
to give me. It's hard.
Because I'm much it as weak.
It's weak.
Yeah.
Like we're weak. You
Ba re
see?
nika la bafani keke labo.
Balambile.
Yeah, nah, so that's what happens, man. You see, so into enzakalayo. So Tina, like we are too weak, Tina. You see now, like if maybe you can convince me into one, maybe you might win one.
And so thola ukuthi mhlambe uyathola umuntu wakho. You understand? But mangafika ikhekhe elisha, there's no way ukuthi uzothi
That's the
there's
thing,
no
angithi. That's the situation.
Chief yajola.
Yeah.
Yajola.
Yeah.
Ujola
bazomdapa
nobani? Because yo
bazomdapa la.
bani umuntu wakho?
Nah.
Na camera bani umuntu wakho?
I wouldn't like to disclose her name.
Why?
No, like
You like it private?
yeah.
Sure,
Well,
is she okay with the things you say in the podcast, or I beg you, do you tell her to not watch it, or very
Mala understand indoda iyasebenza.
I understand.
Yeah? Yeah. Mela understand. I'm working, ngiyasebenza.
But it depends ukuthi no i-podcast ya ezinye izinto vele zizonixabanisa.
Zosicabana-
Yeah,
Mara
ezinye,
mele
like,
understand.
But I really
Yeah.
understand.
But see, talks without actions, it's like nothing happened, bro. You feel me? She can take it, like she can say whatever, but talks without action, it's no big deal, bro. But obviously it's gonna be painful for her because of some whatever reasons. Hlampuzo feel like.
What about talk with
Yeah.
action?
Phela lapho mfethu like phela now you can see what you're doing, like that's wrong, bro.
Mara uzowazi lapho.
It's wrong. Yeah. Hey. Yeah.
Uthini?
Hey.
No, sengiyazi ukuthi angithi uthi talks with actions maqeda uthi in. So mina ngithi even if uyayenza uzowazi laphi.
Uzoyibheka. Oh,
No.
behind the scenes.
Athi uzowazi lapho.
Uzowazi lapho
maybe
ukuthi
sengichawule somewhere.
exactly.
Yeah. Is in trouble.
Nah, but I do love my lady. We are good and stuff.
Like
you see.
it's lady.
So, yeah, this is just conversating.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
feel
yeah,
me?
yeah,
So
yeah.
like, there's nothing wrong with conversating.
There's nothing
you
wrong.
see. So yeah, we're just talking, bro.
Yeah.
And as much as we are here, we're just as I said, it's just conversating. So it's just that, you see. So yeah. Not out him.
PR training.
Not out
My
him.
brother, prayer training.
Woo.
Ay.
Not out him.
Ngiyathemba.
Relax, relax, dog. So yeah, when I'm petty, I don't wanna. It's like yes, if I understand this thing, if I understand you would see, if your girl maybe post, like a picture, maybe go Facebook, maybe like she's got a lot of audience. Obviously, like she'll get a lot of like DMs and a lot of comments and stuff. So you can't be mad at those things. Like honestly, like uzokwatela ukuthi bathi umuntu wakho muhle, like uzokwatela lezo zinto
Ubakubiza
lezo.
ukuthi baby kuma comment section.
Like really.
My DMs, yo.
Yeah, like uzokwatela lezo zinto lezo. No.
Akumelanga vele hayibo. Anye ucontrol ukuthi umuntu atype in.
No, you can't. You see. Yeah. But it's just that with us gents we like it discipline day and day. I don't wanna lie. Tina gents. But if like unomuntu satisfy bro, like that the fact which is enough for you, like obviously that would stop you from doing ezinye izinto. Umuntu wakho he or she doesn't have to be here ukuthi akuvimbe ukuthi wenze izinto ezwrong regardless ukuthi ukhona or akekho, because at some point would always be apart, you see. So noma ukuphi, like it must be a thing yokuthi if like even if like that person is not there, you're still able to say no to certain things that you feel like this is wrong.
Yeah.
See, as much
So
as
are you saying your girlfriend is an understanding girlfriend? Or understanding umuntu wakho?
not really. I'm a share and fit there.
Abe ko understand. Awuthi yakho?
Girls are not
You
understanding.
understand.
Abagirl and fit about
Hashem,
understanding.
you
It's just normal.
understand.
Lento le normal. Like abagirl about understand.
Aba understand.
Yeah. Typical example. Man shoot this Tommy man. Us post. Ugirl wakho uzoba jealous ukuthi who's this? And like just like that nje. You
Yeah,
see?
vele,
And angeke I understand
mara
lento leyo.
ukhuluma
Like honestly
iqiniso.
nas, angeke I understand that thing.
Ba-response sami.
That's the
Mina
thing
ngamtshela,
ke.
man.
That's the thing.
Hayi,
Angeke
sponsor
I
sponsor.
understand. Ngeke I understand. It's girls.
Mara
That's how
lapho
they
kuya
are.
ngokuthi vele futhi ngizoyibeka kanjani? Ungiphile reason ukuthi kuthembe. But if like uloku busy uyaflop and then the next thing upostana namantombazane, obviously ngizoba nenkinga. But if akazange ngiphi reason ukuthi ngingakuthembi, then anye ngilong busy ngokuquestion if I know ukuthi wena kahle and uyasebenza anytime uyashoota namantombazane anytime you do what, you understand? So
Mara
injalo.
i-content.
Yeah, exact. That's why ngisho ukuthi if ukwangiphi reason yokuthi ngingakuthembi, then definitely like ngizobe case yakho mina. But if awukazowangipha, then it's fine, shoot her. As much as nami ngishoot her, then we good.
So niyashutha namanye ama-out.
Mina ngiyashoot.
Then i-out yakhe iyashutha nama.
Unokelo
Oh, akekho ku-social media.
Unokelo jealous ne? Ukelo ku jealous ne?
Ukela umbani.
Onakelo.
Ya. Konke khona. ya.
Hey, hayo show so.
Which means
Ngiyadlala baby.
Are you dating my brother?
Yeah, khona.
Hayi akekho show shem.
Nah,
Asicala.
he's just seeing someone. They are not dating. Why you are shy?
It's complicated.
It's complicated.
Yeah, we understand.
It's very complicated.
And it's normal. Lento leyo man. And there's the, you know, if these things, it always happens. When you meet someone, always someone new in your life. This thing. It's always the case. I'm telling you. You can even comment down below. It's always the case. Like every time when like you meet someone and then something, you'd always say relationship it's complicated in order for you to initiate a new relationship. That's always
So
the
you're saying I'm
foundation.
trying to
I'm telling you, Nas,
So I'm trying to what?
you're trying to initiate something. With who?
With who?
Uneindaba lo.
Okay, with who?
Yeah?
With who?
Uneindaba.
Yeah?
With who?
Unindaba.
With who?
With who
Eh.
ahaba?
With who?
No,
Answer.
bengishelo ukuthi
Oh.
like in most cases like abantu mabahlangana, it's always the case ukuthi umuntu azothi a relationship complicated just to initiate a new relationship and both of us and then like even nalo muntu osuku naye uzokutshela the exact same thing
Which is
relationship.
complicated.
And that gives you guys more reason to be in a relationship. That's
Yeah,
how
Pindaba.
that's how qala that's what like creates cheating, that thing. It's the first
It's
like,
complicated.
yeah, this thing it's
Mara, sometimes
complicated.
it's really complicated.
Yeah, sometimes it is. Sometimes kusuke ngekho complicated. So nje kusho just for you ukuthi to test the waters. Mhlambe
Which
ku
waters?
other area.
So am I trying to test the waters?
With who?
I didn't
With
say
who?
I didn't say anyone's name, mina.
Oh.
I didn't say anyone's name. Angazi ngisho anyone's name. I'm just saying like ngizama ukukhuluma from it's just this is
Experience.
general.
Yeah,
No,
into
it's
enzakalayo
general.
like
Yeah, yeah.
ukhuluma iqiniso into
Yeah,
enzakalayo.
into enzakalayo.
Yeah, into enzakalayo.
Yeah. Like mangabuza umjito okushelayo manje ku relationship nozokutshela ukuthi
It's hard.
complicated. And makasho kanjalo angeke usambuza ngayo because it's complicated already. It's chapter closed.
Hey, it's
so
in
we must
two
open a
layers.
new
No,
chapter.
khuluma.
Hayi thingithu.
Khuluma.
Uthi ntwana ufuna ukuthini
No,
ntwana?
hayi.
Ufuna ukungenela mina?
No.
Okay.
Ufuna ukuthini?
Hayi lutho. Lutho mntakaba lutho.
Okay.
Luana, do you feel like mhlambe like njengomjita as much as we are dating, do you feel like kunezinye izinto omele uzama ukuzipreventa maybe like this like on the show omele uzama ukuzipreventa just because of izo upset umuntu wakho?
Khona mara, you know the show podcasting kuyamele ube unfiltered. You must do whatever you have to do to get the numbers. So manje mina ngizenza umuntu wami. You don't get views. Nginamanga.
It's not even about views. You are not yourself. You see. Yeah, you are.
Kumele umtshele
you're
umuntu wakho.
acting- you're
Okay, it's
acting
better.
upon someone else like his feelings. So it's like obviously if there's other because you must think of that person's feelings and you mustn't say certain things, which means like now, like your thing, it's a bit scripted or it's controlled.
Exactly.
It's like it's controlled, and I don't like a person like that, to be honest.
Yeah, ne.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't date someone like that. Like
Hey,
someone
mina
who's look at
shem.
you, hey, this man, that lapayana, you said that. No, it's
Yeah,
chai.
how
It's
exactly.
chai.
Yeah, nami
No,
ngizomtshela
it's
lento
chai.
yakho
Like
ngiyosiyeka.
no, it's chai.
Hayi mina every time
Zoba
angikhuluma
right.
nje ngikhuluma the way ngakhona. Ngikhuluma nje ayikho into engifilterayo la.
Oyifihlayo.
For ini. Angithi ngikhuluma iqiniso. Kune reason ukuthi ngize ku podcast. Bangibuza ama questions. Mina ngibe honest. You understand? Isikhathi sokulong busy ngiqamba amanga just because yes, unama feelings wherever you are, but nami
Mele understand.
anya angiphili ngamanga guys. Hayibo, ngine life ngaphandle kwakho and maybe ngukenzela ne favor khona izinto bongazazi ngami. Sayazazi manje because of I'm open. I'm an open waiting human being, if I can
Done.
say. Yeah.
Done. Ask guy 360 Donna yam. Ask guy 360.
Yeah, 180. Oqala ngawo.
Lutho
Qala.
mntaka baba lutho.
No, mele
No, it's fine. Qala.
sky okay. Okay, if I may start with the trip.
Khona bogela bafuna
uzolandela.
trip. Yeah, bazobona trip ya.
Guys,
Uzolandela.
when
180.
it's
Okay,
ukuxoxela.
ngizoqala
180.
Yeah, mhlambi
So qala ngaye ngizolandela.
180.
Ne 360
No,
ngaye.
phela
That's fine.
180 plus 180, that's how much?
360.
Ngifuna lutho.
Yabo.
Ngona mina
Sure,
ngishayi
somewhere
180, ushayi 180, ushayi
Okay,
360.
180 360 360.
Akungcono kuye kweni bafethu. Lutho mntaka mama
So
lutho.
incengi 180.
Like 180 sibonani, like 180.
Uyabona side view or whatever.
Awujiki. Awujiki, don't
Ushaya
turn
like
around.
Ujikelani.
side. This side. Was trip check.
Sayihloniphisa nje mawuthi
Yeah, trip check.
Sakayihloniphisa makathi drip check.
I didn't even
Drip check.
So, yeah, this is drip check. Okay.
You see?
Qoke tell us phela.
It's not obviously angeke azositshela, it's not important.
Uzositshela ne?
Nah, it's not important. It's cool. Unless if you've got a brand that you're wearing.
Yeah.
Oh, ama brands.
Yeah,
Hayi.
unless if you've got a brand.
Uzolandela ne?
Yabo ngizoyenza le nje usiya.
Yeah, nah, 180. Yeah, hiyo le. Yeah, this is 180. 360.
Phela mina
Then uzo.
Yeah.
mina ningitsheli lokho.
Yeah.
Aningitsheli nje lokho mina.
Asibagaye ke ntwana yami. Ayiqhelise nje imic bazobona kahle.
Was.
Nomkhaba nabona.
3.
Yabo.
Ish mara chom.
Show me.
Hey.
Hey!
No,
Turn around chom.
Bell. Hayibo, shem.
Ay, suthi.
Ngishayele eshaye usiya.
Okay, ngiza futhi 180 abayibonanga.
Abayibonanga
Abayibonanga.
kahle.
No, ngishayele eshaye i-host usiya guys.
Nasi ngishaya
Soma
egrade.
ngishaya
Shaya
360.
360.
Angisena energy sengikhathele.
Sukum shaya 360 yokubona.
Sengikhathele.
360.
Angenzi into zona ulandela.
360 was 360.
Uzongikhatha nabantu.
360.
Ngathi uthanda ngamehlo.
360. Chief.
Ntwana.
Abantu deserve 360.
They
Angizingeni.
deserve 360 ntwana yami. Like it's been
Kubani?
long since you came to the show ntwana.
Yazi fana ngani? Yabona mawushawukele. Then bekubambise mara ushayanga. Hayi, i180. Hayi mele bebone yonke into. Hayi, kubabonise yonke into.
Hayo.
It's painful.
Yo yazi le pain le.
Ubiza ugel.
Na bafila kanjalo.
Kanti hayi.
Bafila kanjalo nabo manje. I-feeling yabo manje.
Yo guys yo. And men's cartel.
Was 360. Siyacela 360.
Hi. Antona ba guys says okay, sivala ngayi show ke.
Yeah,
Siyavala,
360.
like siyavala then we are done.
Hayi ngavala ngokucula ke. Hayi 360.
360. I think when ungenza 360 uzoyenza. I'm sure.
Angeke man
Yeah,
siya.
ungakhulumi,
Nakanti
uyenze,
wayenza
yabo.
kanjalo.
Sonke isenza ama 360 uzolandela.
Hayi lutho
Angeke
ke
azoyishaya.
ngizonibonisa nina. Aningazi kahle.
Okay, 180.
Yeah.
Ay chief wena ngathi ufuna ukuyibonela now.
Hayi man, for the people.
Chief is not for the people.
It's for the people, it's for the people. Hey,
Aye,
it's for the
chief,
people.
aye. I'm out of this. Uyocela i360
Ah,
ngisifulele.
it's for the people.
No, I
It's for the people. It's for the people. It's for the people.
This is for you, chief.
Mbeo.
We are the people.
Ntwana. No, Ntwana. ngicela uyenze uthi uyigayene umlaye nje uyenze uthi uyigaya yena
angizoyenza ngoba kufuna nina hayi lutho mntakama
yo
hayi today ngistrikeile shem
yo
right
strikeile uzamile
next time.
next time yeah let's wrap up the interview. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. We are out.
Danko.